Okay, friends, last time we were in art, we made our 3 rectangles for our buildings. Today, because I am gone, I would like you to listen and follow directions. Your job today is to add your details. We will add windows and other details. For your windows, you will use squares that are yellow, red, and blue. It is important that you do not put a blue on your blue building or a yellow on your yellow building or a red on your red building. We will not be able to see them if you do that. Please put different color squares on your rectangles. I am going to put a yellow square on my red rectangle, 2 blue squares on my yellow rectangle, and 2 red squares on my blue rectangle. If your rectangles are taller or shorter, please think about how many squares you will need. We are using our glue sponge again today. Your job is to glue your squares to your rectangles. Remember that when you are using a glue sponge, do not touch it with your fingers. All you need to do is press your paper on your sponge, take it off, and it should have glue. Then your job is to rub it on your rectangle. I need to do that for all of my windows. Please leave a space between your windows. Do not put them right next to each other. Now I am gluing my blue windows. Make sure that you are rubbing your paper hard onto your buildings so that your windows stay. You might need to push hard on your glue sponge to get enough glue. It is a good idea to leave a space at the bottom so that we can draw doors. If there's not a lot of space, you will not have any room to draw doors. Now that I have my squares glued to my rectangles, I need to get a black crayon and draw my details. I would like you to draw one vertical line, which is up and down, and one horizontal line, which is side to side, in all of your squares. This will make them look like windows. Now, my job is to add details. With my black crayon, I can add details such as chimneys, I can also add details like flags, I may also add details like birds, I may also add details like the sun. Please only use a black crayon today. I may add details like clouds. I also may add details like doors to my buildings. I may also add details like light posts. I may also add details such as a car. Your job today is to glue your squares, draw your windows, and add your details.